what's going on, people? This is Mike, Twitter's Overland, November 3, Mike Foxtrot, and I got something in the mail from the Netherlands. This is going to be a short, quick video. I'll put it out there. This is the RF Power Nanny. I'll do a more in-depth video with it, but I was on Temporary Offline's channel, and I won one of the little giveaways, and they sent this all the way from the Netherlands. So let's do a really quick unboxing. Let me see. Well, as you can tell, I have changed my shirt and was going to change cameras to my side camera, but I didn't. I tried to do this video and the audio was lost halfway through the video. So let's do this again. Unboxing the Nanny, RF Nanny from Nickstick Designs in the Netherlands. Lovely little box. It's really, really nice. They packed it very well. I've already opened this, so this is going to be take two. So, very, very nice little box here. I am in the Studio A / my office. It's a little, what's the word? It's my office. Couch, workbench, fan, which I'm going to turn off because the audio is going to be insane in here. So, this is the RF Power Nanny by Nickstick Designs in the Netherlands. Dude, they have so many really cool, very, very cool products on their website. At the end, I will make sure I link his website and his email so that you guys can check out his website. It's got some really cool stuff. So, there you go. Very well packaged. I had to repackage it just for the awe. There's my Henry. You got all sorts of stuff in the box here. There it comes. There we go. All right, cool. Henry, do you want part of this? I got Henry and a cat. People, this is Henry. Henry, those are people. Say hi to the peoples. No, you get up. Stay. All right, cool. Okay, cool. So, sent a little QR code startup guide. Always good to have information. This is buried at the bottom. I didn't find this in the last video because I lost the audio, but this is the QR code. And then I realized why I lost the video, because the camera shut off. So I'm going to leave this camera on, and we're going to do it with this one. Nick also sent a power cable for the device. It's a little, I got to see what the power is on it, but sent a little power cable for it. And, oh wow, cool. Sent me a little chart. RF Nanny samples. So what do we got here? Factory calibration. It's been calibrated. 1.81 megahertz, 14 megahertz, and 28 megahertz. It's got all the calibrations here. So they calibrated it. So I'm guessing that, if you need it recalibrated, you can send it to Nick, and they will recalibrate it for you if you think it's gone goofy, or you've knocked it off the table like a 7300, or whatever floats your boat. Also, there's another little QR code there. You could probably scan that if you wanted to. Yeah, there's a little QR code there. All right, cool. Now, Temporary Offline went through this already. This is just a quick unboxing. I'm going to play with it later, figure out what I can do with it, and do some videos onto it. But, dude, this is really cool. It's a really well-built little box. Beautiful bubble wrap. It's green. You can see through it. Look at that. You can see me through the... Well, never mind. Okay, over here. So, pop the caps off. Yeah, pop a cap. This is the shape of it. You have your transmit, and you have your antenna. That's simple. We got a drive-by by kitty. Looks like there are two LEDs. Right here, two LEDs. Hey, quit chasing around. I'm right here, dude. There you go. And then there's USB-C, and this is where the little power cable goes into right there. That's the power cable. This is the front of it. RF Power Nanny from Nickstick Design. And yeah, there's some little LEDs on there. So what's cool about this, very well built. Man, this is some machined aluminum. I do not want to drop this because there's probably some sensitive goodies into it. I did notice one thing. I don't know if he was just like having fun, but if you know anything about pew pew sights, I'll just say pew pew sights. It looks like a pew pew sight. It just overly exaggerated pew pew sight. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So what this allows you to do real quick, I'll give you a short spiel. You plug your radio into it, you plug your antenna into it, you give it your power, connect it to your computer, and this gives you a really cool overview of what's going out of your radio. You can also remote into this. So if you have a remote radio, you can take this and see exactly what's coming out of your radio. If your radio is freaking out for some reason, say, or folding back, low power or whatever, you can connect to this device remotely and see what actually is happening. Gives you all the data bits. I will go through that in another video, but I did want to shout out Nick Designs in Netherlands. I won this through TO's live stream one night just for grins and giggles. You know, I rarely win anything, so I figured I'd give it a shot. And through my through whatever I forgot what it was even what the word was, but anyway, so I got this. Shout out to Temporarily Offline for having the little giveaway on his YouTube channel. This thing's $165. It's a great little bit of kit. So I'm going to play with it, take it out to the field, do some more videos onto it, but it's really, 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 really great bit of kit. I hope that you will look it up. You'll check out Nick Designs, Nickstick, and stick like a wooden stick, Nickstick, Nickstick Designs. I will put his link and his info email in the description, and I really, really hope that you check it out and check out my other videos. This is pretty neat. I still haven't figured out what this is. I think it's an SD card. I don't know. Maybe you can see. Let me see. The little card up there that plugs in that's protected by this hoop. I don't want to mess with it. It looks fragile, and my big fat fingers will probably break it. But yeah, this is groovy. This is very groovy. And thank you, Temporary Offline. Thank you to Nickstick Designs for sending this to me. I got it real quick. He was inquiring about the shipping and the handling and all that fun stuff, and it went smoothly. It was it made it here in a little over a week from the Netherlands. So awesome. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you checking out this cute little fast unboxing of the RF Power Nanny. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Come see us. Come check us out. We've got all sorts of things going on. I've got a couple more videos in the can, so hopefully I can get them out soon. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate your patronage, your subscribership, and thanks for checking out the channel. I just got home from New Hampshire, got the box open, ran upstairs and said, yeah, I'm going to do a quick video. And then I'm going to be back to New Hampshire tomorrow. So I got working at a site, putting in a DAS system for a repeater system. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Again, thank you for watching. This is Mike, Tortoise Overland, 73s, 77, 88. Love you guys. Mean it.